You know that feeling when your code just waits and waits and keeps checking, is it done yet? That's polling. And if you're building with external APIs, you can't avoid it. But here's the thing, most developers do it wrong, and it costs them sleep. Let me show you how to poll the right way using Temporal. Here's the core problem. You send a request to an external service, maybe a video encoding job, an AI model, or a payment processor. They say, we'll get back to you. But when? 5 seconds? 5 minutes? You don't know. So you're stuck polling. Done yet? Done yet? The nightmare scenario? Your process crashes mid poll and you lose track of everything. This is where durability matters. This is exactly what Temporal solves. It handles the uncertainty and keeps your workflows durable even when things fail. Let me show you two approaches. Method 1. Let Temporal handle the retry dance. Look at this workflow code. We're calling two activities here. First, ffmpeg compose starts a video processing job and gives us a command ID. Then poll ffmpeg checks if it's done. Now here's where the magic happens. See this retry configuration? We're telling Temporal, if this activity fails, wait 1 minute and try again. Jump to the activity code. This is beautifully simple. We make one API call to check the status. If it's not ready, we throw an error. That's it. Temporal sees that error and thinks, okay, not ready yet. It waits a minute, then calls this activity again. Another error? Wait another minute. Try again. Success returns? We're done. The workflow code has no retry logic, no loops, no sleep statements. It just says, poll this, and Temporal orchestrates everything. Even if your worker crashes mid-poll, Temporal remembers exactly where you were. When it comes back up, it continues polling right on schedule. The activity stays simple, just a status check and a throw. All the complexity of when to retry and maintaining state lives in Temporal's retry policy. Method 2. You control the polling loop. Look at the workflow. It's even simpler now. We call the polling activity just once. But notice the heartbeat timeout configuration? That's our safety net. Now jump into the activity. This is where all the action happens. See this while loop? We're polling every 10 seconds for up to 10 minutes. But here's the critical line. Context.current.heartbeat. Every iteration, we tell Temporal, hey, I'm still working, don't worry about me. Without this heartbeat, Temporal thinks the activity died and restarts it. That means duplicate polling, checking the same job twice. Not good. The loop has some logic we need to code properly. Sleep for 10 seconds, make the API call, check the status. Success, return the URL and we're done. Failed, throw an error immediately. Still processing, loop again. If we hit the 10-minute timeout, we throw an error and let Temporal's retry policy decide what to do next. The key difference from method 1? The activity runs continuously as one long execution. Method 1 schedules separate activity executions. Here, it's one activity with internal polling logic. So which method should you use? Method 1 is cleaner code, but it's resource intensive. Activities need to be scheduled frequently. Every retry is a new activity execution. Method 2 is more efficient, but you're writing retry logic yourself. And let's be honest, retry logic is where bugs love to hide. Here's my rule of thumb. Polling every minute or more? Use method 1. The overhead doesn't matter. Polling every few seconds or faster? Use method 2. You'll save resources. Not sure? Start with method 1. It's simpler and you can optimize later. And for more practical tech advice, subscribe to Favorite CTO.